Good afternoon, Jackson Garage. Today I'm carrying on with the strip down, cleaning and restoration of the Chev 3100 head, Stovebolt head. Let's get wire brushing. So this is the Chev 3100 or 3100 head, and it's the Stovebolt engine head. Great. So here's the head on the tray that I want to use to clean it up with. I've got the valve still in. I'm going to give it a quick brush, get most of the stuff off, and then we'll start disassembling. Starting to wire brush this head. It's turning out quite nicely. Doesn't seem like there's too bad a rust on it, and the springs are looking kind of shiny already. Let's keep going. How nice does that look with the tappet cover on? Good. We're going to use this brown for the block. Here we have a dusting on the head. This engine has been done before. Can you notice the one punch mark? 2, 3, 4, what is it? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. Now use this drill press and a special tool to push the valves out. Here is the special tool. So put this in the drill press like so, Pull down the lever, this pushes on top of the valves, and I will show you now. See how that pushes the top of the valve out, and then you just use pliers to grip them out and put them away. Oh, that's dirty. Okay, more cleaning around those valves. Cleaner. The head disassembled. Very nice. These valve seats don't actually look too terrible, so I will be grinding them, but it doesn't look like it's going to take too much effort. Still quite a bit of cleaning to do in these exhaust ports. Let's get to it. Before and after valve. Valves clean. So what we need is to do some grinding, and then is to wash this thing down with some petrol, perhaps even blast out the water jackets. I'm going to find out what to do to get the rust out of the water pathways or whatever. It's interesting how low compression this head is. They've gone to some effort to even cut out some recesses and make some of these holes even a bit deeper. So it's quite a low compression head. But this just needs a wash with some petrol, a wipe down, and then I'll probably hand paint it. Grinding valves, hand painted. Great. It's also quite interesting that there's no paint on this thing. So I don't know how that happens. I've seen the engine color in like a light gray, and my dad says he's seen it in blue. So I'll look that up as well. Hey guys, so I think I'll end this part here. Next time on Jackson Garage is some cleaning with the petrol, blasting out the water jackets, grinding the valves, and hopefully the painting. And that'll be it for the head. And then I'll mount the block onto the engine stand and get started with the preparing and cleaning and all of that on the block. And then the two will go together. Yes, that's pretty exciting. Cool. Catch you later.